but it's, I mean, who wants to look, simple when you can look stunning?
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's living their best life, and if you aren't, please do something today to put you on the path of living your best life. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the braid out. So let's get started. So I'm starting off on freshly washed hair, and that video is going to be linked right there in that eye icon as well as in the description box below. So to begin, I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Twisting Cream. And I'm going to first begin spraying my hair just to make sure that it's still completely wet. It doesn't have to be soaking, just a little bit more damp. And then I go ahead and apply the twisting cream. And then right here, I'm using my detangling brush to go ahead and smooth out my hair. By smoothing out my hair, I feel like it helps with the definition at the end. And right here, I'm using my oil mixture just to lock in all the moisture. So for this braid out, I ended up doing 3 braids in the back and then 2 in the front on each side with a total of 10 braids. So to begin, I start off by splitting my hair in the middle on that back section, and then that top section that I just clipped up, that's going to be split into 2 sections. After sectioning, it's time to braid. And then at the end of each braid, I like to twist my hair around my finger just to define the curl. right here I had to redo the braid because my bangs were kind of making the braid feel lumpy. So this is just a reminder, as you're doing your braid out, don't be afraid to having to take down your braid and redo it, because you want to make sure that your results are worth the time, you know? As a final touch, I went ahead and oiled my scalp, and then I put on my headscarf and bonnet, and then went to sleep. Alright, so this is the next day. What I did to take down my braids is I applied my oil mixture all over my braids, and then I applied a little bit of my oil onto my hands as I was taking down the braids. That was just to control frizz and to make sure that the results stayed defined. When separating my hair, I applied a little bit more of my oil, and then all I did to separate was just kind of fluff my hair around and just pull it apart where it looks like and where it felt like it needed to be pulled apart, which I'll show in just a second. So you see right here how some of my hair is just kind of separating on its own. I just followed its pattern and followed what it wanted to do, and that was basically all I did to separate my hair. So that's the end of today's video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below, and turn on my post notification bell so you're notified every single time that I post. With that being said, I hope everybody lives their best life. Peace, love, and light to you all.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.